Welcome back to NA Play Aviary Attorney. We're gonna read this letter that the rabbit just brought to us. It's a threat made with cutout newspapers.
Suck my dick!
I was gonna say his name looks really funny up there.
Whoa, I didn't know those things actually existed. Let me see. Falcon. Stop your investigation or there will be consequences. Scary.
Half-life, full-life consequences. There's no question that this letter originated from Major Howell's murderer. He or she must be aware that we are getting close to uncovering the truth.
Sounds about right. But why would a person write with cut-out newspaper letters like this?
Masking one's handwriting would be the most common reason. Although I can't help but wonder why they would bother, since we don't have any handwriting samples to compare it to.
We're still going ahead with our investigation, though, right?
Absolutely.
Duh.
Fuck those guys. Oh, yes, absolutely.
Fight me.
Come at me, Scrub Lord, I'm ripped.
Yeah, come at me, Scrub Lord, I'm ripped.
If a lawyer were deterred every time they received a threatening letter, they would never get any work done. Besides, with only 3 days before the next trial session, we can't afford to be worrying about petty things like this.
Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Wow, you're right. Let's make those days count.
So we gotta go talk to the chocolate guy first.
I feel like, yes, we should talk to the chocolate guy first. Let's keep an eye out for exclamation points.
Chocolate Emporium, because we gotta ask if he bought it. Because we gotta know if it's him, and then somehow we gotta figure out how to test it.
Well, maybe we can ask him about that now.
Yeah.
Welcome to Lander Helge Sachs, a chocolate emporium, the finest Belgian chocolate shop in all of Paris. I am Lander Helge Sachs, the founder and owner of this establishment.
And I'm J.J. Falcon, defense attorney. Good day, monsieur.
Oh, lawyers, very fancy. I must say I once dreamed of being a lawyer, but well, circumstances wouldn't allow it. I'm kind of just doing Spanish accent again. It's a funny story. You see, when I was a young boy, I befriended the son of a Hungarian attorney. Falcon, you have to help me.
What is it?
It's the smell, Falcon. It's overpowering me. It's demanding that I lay waste to the shop.
For pity's sake, restrain yourself, Sparrowson.
Oh, but I'm rambling, aren't I? So, are you messieurs here to buy some chocolate? Yes!
No. We're actually here on business, monsieur.
Business?
First things first, you believe that this chocolate wrapper originated from your shop. Are we correct?
Oh, yes. That is indeed the trademark Helge Sachs wrapper for genuine Belgian Helge Sachs chocolate. That was most certainly bought from this very establishment.
Very good. With that established, there is something else you wish to ask, Monsieur Hagelsack. First of all, let's ask who. Can you tell us who bought the chocolate that was contained in this wrapper, Monsieur Hagelsack?
We need to remember to only ask about 2 people, because when we asked about the third, after the third one, he was like, I think we're done for the day.
Yeah, but we gotta...
Because if Major Hal didn't buy it, we don't know who else might have.
Okay, well, we know it wasn't Signy.
Yeah, it wasn't Signy, it wasn't Mousy, and it wasn't the fox. Okay.
So I think it can only be...
Major Howell.
Major Howell.
We can ask about the Kingfisher. Although, no, that wouldn't make any sense. How would they have interacted?
Yeah.
Okay.
Can you tell us?
Oh, sorry. I thought you had already read that.
I think I did.
I'm afraid not, messieurs. Not just because matter of confidentiality, but although that this is a factor you understand, but because I couldn't possibly know that. I'm just gonna do the crazy Russian hacker accent, even though that's not Belgian at all. I thought elephants never forget. My memory is impeccable, monsieur, but you must understand that I have dozens of customers a day. There are hundreds of people who could potentially buy this particular item.
The only other person I could think of is, like, the judge.
If the judge would back up a bit.
If the judge would back up a bit. Because they're the one, the wolves just in general are the ones.
Yeah.
Yeah. Because now that I'm thinking about it, I'm like, well, I don't think he would have bought it because then it wouldn't have been poisoned from the shop. Then he would have been the one to poison.
Yeah.
So if somebody else bought it, and the only other people we've gotten now are the Kingfisher and the judge.
Yeah.
And the judge is being fucking...
twat.
Crazy.
Yeah. Alright, well, we'll see.
I don't know. So your
Unless
memory
we were
is good.
supposed to go back to the Palace of Justice first and meet somebody else there. Okay.
Nope, we're supposed to go here first. That was, like, the one thing that I saw on the 18th.
Well, that's good. At least where we were supposed to be.
We were supposed to go chocolate. So your memory is good, but you need further information. If we were to give you the description and name of a person, would you be able to tell us whether they purchased something from you? I'm like, we can start with Major Howell, but...
Oh, yes. I could probably do that, monsieur.
I would say Judge would be our second choice, if not him.
Alright, so those are all people from the first trial, and irrelevant. So, definitely not her. We've asked about Mousy, we asked about the fox.
The only thing I think of is, like, he wouldn't have been the one that bought it. We were gonna ask about him next, but we were like, we don't really know why. No, they were just the people that gave us information.
We asked about her. We can't ask him about himself. I feel like he's irrelevant. We can ask about the judge, though. Alright, so let's...
Yeah, the judge is the only one I can think of. Have you served a member of the Royal Guard by the name of Major Howell?
No, monsieur.
Are you sure?
Yes, monsieur. I have served many soldiers, but I don't recall seeing a major in here in recent memory. What does that mean, Falcon? Have we lost our lead?
Not necessarily. It just means that Major Howell didn't buy the chocolate that may have killed him.
But he did sell to a lot of other... He did say he has seen a lot of other guards.
Yeah, we don't have any other guards.
I know.
There's still a possibility that someone bought the chocolate for him. That's our lead. That's who we want to find. That's why I think it's the wolves, because they're the ones... I'm assuming that he is one of the wolves, and the wolves seem to be in positions of power, and they would be able to talk to them.
Oh, he told this story last time.
Oh, okay.
I did once serve a high-ranking officer from the British Army who was on his way to Zimbabwe, if you want to hear that story.
No, I don't want to hear that story.
Weird.
Let me think. Who should I ask about? Oh, let's ask about the judge. That is my last-ditch attempt. He's the only one. Have you ever served a hairy wolf in judicial robes named Judge Romulus?
Ah! Yes, monsieur.
Alright, have you ever served... Oh, wait, did you just say yes?
Yes, monsieur. A wolf in judicial robes. I did serve a person like that a little while ago. On the Ah!
Kimchi's just like, shut the fuck up.
Poor Kimchi. His life is hard.
Did he say or do anything suspicious?
Not that I can recall, monsieur. He was a pleasant fellow. Big duty grin. Bought 200 grams of dark Belgian chocolate with a custom filling.
A custom filling?
Some type of caramel. He provided him... Ah! He provided it himself, although he unfortunately did not bring me enough for me to sample. You should be glad.
Yeah.
What's this mean, Falcon? Falcon, hey, Falcon, what does it mean, Falcon?
Well, we shouldn't make assumptions. It may just mean that this judge just liked to eat chocolate.
Bullshit!
But if the judge's purchase is related to the wrapper at the crime scene, then... Monsieur Huggleslack, do you think I could get a copy of Judge Romulus's receipt?
I can do you one better, monsieur. I have the original right here. I gave them for tax purposes, you understand.
Is it okay for us to take it, monsieur?
Absolutely. Memorizing the receipt's content is trivial, after all. Yeah.
Good.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know where we go from here.
I don't either.
Oh, that's you.
Would you look at this thing? Judge Romulus signed it in green ink. Green ink! I knew Judge Romulus was shady, but only truly villainous people write in green.
Thank you very much for your time, Monsieur Huggleslack. You have been enormously helpful. Yes, you have.
Glad to be of service. I wish you the best of luck with your case, monsieurs.
Alright.
Well, we didn't get to ask if it could have been poisoned, but we don't really need to. Because he wouldn't have been able
to tell, and he told us they had caramel. So we can go back to the Louvre, or we can go back to the drinking place. We have the 20th and the 21st.
I think we should go to the drinking place because it seems like we may encounter different people who may provide us with, we might be able to talk to somebody who's like, yeah, I heard about poisoning caramel or something.
We could also go to Louvre
and see if there are any other witnesses.
See if there are any other witnesses, or if, what's his name, saw the judge.
Oh yeah, let's go to the Louvre then. That's a good idea.
I would say the Louvre because we can go like 3 different places in there.
Falcon and Sparrowson once again find themselves in the Palace de Carousel, just outside the Louvre. So which exhibits or exhibitions are we visiting today? Where did we meet? Alright, well let's go talk to the guy in the garden. We're going to have to bribe him, but we know that he'll be there to talk to.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, we get to investigate the whole place, so.
Yeah, just the whole place takes a day. I think
Okay.
we bothered Monsieur Rubinio enough. Let's move elsewhere. Okay.
Alright, so we're not gonna bother him.
Okay, the Palace de Carousel, Salle du Tibre is where they came in.
Yeah.
And then the Grand Gallery is where he died. So let's look at the Palace de Carousel, because I think...
That's where we're standing.
Oh, that's where we're standing?
Yeah, I think so.
Oh. No. Okay. Not just yet. Pass me that map. Alright, let's go to Salle du Tibre. I think that's where we saw... No, we saw him in the Grand Gallery.
Yeah.
I
Okay.
think we found everything of value. So let's go talk to...
Here's hoping somebody's in here to talk to.
Looks like that poor grandpa
Damn.
has left the building.
Oh,
In
sorry.
particular, I just wanted some more details on the Bernard Volpez. But I suppose we'll have to leave it for now.
Ugh. We
Well,
just
this
wasted
is
a day.
waste.
I don't think there's anything else to... No, there's nothing else.
I mean, if we can't get things done the next day, we can go back a day.
Yeah, we can go back a day. That sucks. Well, I'd like to come back, but... Alright, so what's it offering us today? Anything else?
AA offices.
Oh, our offices.
So we missed out on the drink house.
Yeah, I guess so.
I'm feeling pretty confident about this case. The big picture is coming together nicely. I think we should go back a day.
Yeah, we're gonna do that really quick. Sorry, guys, we'll be right back. Yeah, this game lets you get away with this, which we're thankful for.
The last time we had to use the guide, because if we had gone that far, we wouldn't... It would have taken us... We had to go back, 3 days already?
Yeah.
And we would have had to go back, 4 days, because we didn't have the information we needed.
Yeah, we scared off the swan. We should have known better.
Hmm.
They were like I said previously in a previous episode, this game really does guide you. And they kept saying tact and finesse and don't push it. And we pushed it.
Yeah.
So what are we doing today? Playing cards till we're flat out broke?
Maybe. Let's see.
I feel like maybe that was a hint. I don't want to play cards with that motherfucker, though.
Let's look in the drinking room and see if there's anything. Because we're here. Nobody appears interested in conversation. Okay. So, yeah, we're going to the card room. I don't want to play cards with this
I
guy.
don't want to play cards with this guy. Come on, pal. Just one more game of Jacques Noir.
Absolutely not. My wallet is hurting enough as it is.
Please, I'll even let you deal this time.
The answer is no, Rufus. I'm skint. If you want to play cards, you will have to ask somebody else.
Fine, I'll ask that big fella. Excuse me, monsieur. Yeah, you, monsieur. Would you care to play some Jacques Noir? Wonder what happens if I say not today. And I can always come back upstairs if he's like, well, fine, get out.
The guide literally says play cards because you have nothing left to do.
Okay.
I was like, this seems suspicious.
Alright, we're gonna play this fucking card game. Very well then, do you know how to play?
Yes.
We do. It's blackjack.
It's blackjack, yeah. Of course, I've been playing for years.
Yeah, right. Don't get cocky, Falcon.
I have them.
Very good. I shall be the dealer. We will bet 5 francs per game. Here we go.
Maybe we're gonna lose horribly.
I know, but I think he cheats.
I think he does cheat, but I don't think we're gonna point that out. It doesn't say how long we're supposed to play. It just said play cards because you have nothing better to do.
Okay, well maybe something will happen on our way out.
Yeah.
Anyway, hit me. Hit me again. Oh.
Oh, stand. He's gonna get 21. Fuck this guy, though.
I'll fight him.
Yeah, watch. He's gonna get 21.
I'll fight him.
This dude's a dick. Oh!
Oh my god!
What? Maybe we had to come on this day to win.
Well played, monsieur. Here's your payout. Shall we have another round?
No. No, I think we're done. Maybe another day, monsieur.
I understand. Feel free to come back anytime.
Like, there's literally nothing else for us to do. Like, is that it? Like, there's literally just nothing to do today? So we just went and played cards? He's not going to give us anything.
I know.
It doesn't say we're supposed to get any information. All it said was play cards, because you have nothing better to do.
Well, I'm not wasting a bunch of money.
Yeah. We won. Leave. Leave while we're ahead.
Alright.
For the first fucking time. We've played him, like, 9 or 10 times.
Yeah. So many times. Alright, well, okay.
Aight.
Well, whatever.
All right,
Whatever.
we didn't have to go back a day, but whatever. We got $5 out of it.
We made money, and you guys got to see the cat guy that we were saying maybe he's the bad guy. I mean, he's probably not, but maybe he is.
I think it's the wolves,
yeah.
yeah. I'm feeling pretty confident about this case. The big picture is coming together nicely. I'm somewhat relieved that Prince Juan came clean. His secret was putting this whole case in jeopardy. We've still got one day until the trial, but how to spend it? Ooh, excuse me. I suppose we could revisit the Lou, or maybe we should just play some cards at the Le Canard Joyeux. Something wrong, Sparrowson? You're being unusually quiet.
Falcon, we need to talk.
It's not me, it's you.
Yeah.
What's up?
See, I was doing some thinking. Dangerous thing to do, I know. Anyway, I realized that we're missing a crucial piece of evidence.
What evidence would that be?
Well, we know that Major Hal consumed a piece of chocolate before he died, and we know that he died of poisoning. But we still aren't sure that the chocolate was the cause.
That's true. If we keep pushing the chocolate theory, Cocorico will most certainly bring that up. Don't eat the... You could just test the fucking paper.
So I thought to myself, if we were to consume the wrapper, then it may provide proof of whether it contains traces of poison.
Well, sure, that could work, but that would be incredibly foolish. Wait, were you thinking of eating the wrapper, Sparrowson?
Maybe.
It's fucking John. Well, stop those thoughts right now. I'm not going to let you potentially kill yourself like that.
I knew you would say that. That's why I already consumed the wrapper.
I knew he was going to say that!
45 minutes ago.
Sparrowson? Sparrowson! What the fuck, Sparrowson?
He's just a very dedicated employee.
Hello! Doctor, is Sparrowson okay?
Well, he's not conscious right now, but he's stable. I think it's safe to say that your friend is not on his deathbed.
Oh, thank God.
I'm the most terrifying doctor.
I love it.
I should do the doctor from Nightmare Before Christmas.
Okay.
I don't know how to do his voice. Right. How did you say this happened again?
It's a long story. Lawyering occupational hazard. Doctor, can you tell me what poison caused this?
I have no idea. I'm an expert in mental health, not toxicology. But I've sent for a specialist who should be here by tomorrow morning. He will make a full assessment.
I need him here now. Thanks. That's good to hear. Thanks, Doctor. Take good care of him.
Wait a moment. There's a matter of the bill.
We'll have to discuss it later. I have an important case to prepare for, and I'm one partner down.
I see. Well, rest assured your friend is in good hands.
This is terrible. What the hell was Sparrowson thinking? I can't win a case like this. You! I finally found you! Oh, is it Mousy? Running around like a headless chicken. You're one tricky lawyer to find. Oh, okay. I told you to drop the investigation, but you just wouldn't listen. Who was speaking? Sorry, I forgot that I was him.
Yeah.
I can't see you, Monsieur. Step forward. Alright, I'll step forward. But it'll be the last thing you'll ever see.
Fight me, Scrub Lord!
Alright.
We did.
What the fuck just happened?
Did the game crash?
No.
There's probably noises.
Au revoir, JJ Falcon. I doubt it. What just happened? Where am I? Am I dead? No, that can't be right. This is nighttime. I'm just sleeping. If I focus and count to 3, I should be able to wake up. 1, 2. Ugh. Did it work? Oh. Ah, Dame Catterline. And was I Dame Catterline?
No, I was. I can't believe how easy you were to fool. I put on a cutesy voice, acted all innocent, and you ate up the whole thing. He's dreaming, I think. We didn't make any mistakes.
We didn't. I made no mistakes. I did my duty as a lawyer.
Your duty put an innocent man on death row, Monsieur Falcon. I hope you're proud of that.
It wasn't my fault.
It wasn't.
Hey, where are you going?
Out of my way, Severin.
Oh,
I'm
no,
not.
me.
Oh.
Out of my way, Severin. I'm not done talking to Dame Catterline. I thought so too, yeah.
It wasn't my fault. Is that the excuse you make after all of your failures?
I'm not making excuses.
Failure after failure after failure. No desire to improve yourself. You're a joke of a lawyer, JJ.
Don't call me JJ.
That's all you have to say? How pathetic. You don't even deserve to stand in your grandfather's shadow.
My grandfather? I'll prove you wrong. I can do better. Oh, it's you, Sparrowson. Have you come to berate me too?
What? No, I'm just here to tell you to wake up. Wake up, Monsieur. Wake up. Hey, can you hear me? I said wake up. Ooh, we gotta get to court and fast.
Yeah.
But we're not going to court. Also lost my mouse. Oh, this is where we're gonna wake up.
Oh.
Come on, Monsieur, wake up! I said wake up. You're starting to worry me. Oh, thank goodness. I wasn't sure whether I would have to find a doctor or a mortician.
Why am I wet? Did you see my head just spaz out for a second there?
Yeah.
Ugh, my head.
Probably because you're shaking his head.
Where am I?
The Pont d'Arts, you know, by the Louvre in Paris, France. I fished you out of the scene. Nearly broke my rod doing it. Wait, I know you. You're that disrespectful lawyer guy, Giro Falco or something.
What time is it? Actually, what day is it?
You hit your head pretty hard. It's the 21st of January and around 9 o'clock in the morning by my reckoning.
21st, 9 o'clock. Oh no, the trial. I should have been at the court 7 minutes ago.
Well, you're running late, but take it easy, Monsieur. I'm sure they'll be understanding.
I doubt it. Maybe if I sprint it.
In your condition, that'd be stupid. Take a seat. Clear your head. I'll get some dry clothes.
No time.
Wait, Monsieur. At least take this before you go. Is that a scalpel?
What is this? A dip pen? No, wait. It's a modern fountain pen. Bone handle. Gold nib. This is very fancy. Thank you, Monsieur, but it isn't mine. Is that one, the judge? 2, did he stab me with it?
Really? Are you sure? You were holding it pretty tightly when I found you.
Holding this? Then I suppose it has to be mine. I bet it has green ink.
Probably. I bet it does.
Thanks, fisherman. I owe you one.
I ain't a fisherman. Hey, don't call me a fisherman. I don't know why he became Southern this time, but I like it.
Hi, we're here.
Sorry, I was just reading it and spacing out. I hate this guy so much. Is the defense not present? Such unprofessionalism.
Your face.
If there is no defense, then this trial cannot proceed any further. We must make a ruling based on the evidence that has been presented. I will now converse with the jury. We shall decide whether Prince One is guilty of murdering Major Hal and of conspiring to murder the king. Your Honor, may I have a word? Fine, but make it quick. I'm a firm believer that the trial must be orderly and punctual. There is no room for wishy-washy dilly-dallying. But it seems somewhat rash to end a trial session the moment it is due to start. Perhaps it would be prudent to wait 5 or 10 minutes, in case the defense is just a little tardy. The trial still has a chance to proceed, and justice will be served. You are the prosecution, are you not? You have nothing to worry about. A guilty verdict is all but guaranteed. Your Honor, you appear confused. I'm not here to secure a guilty verdict. Of course you are. You're a prosecutor. By definition, you're here to prosecute. No, my job description is to prosecute, but I'm here in this courtroom to ensure that justice is served. An unfair and unbalanced trial is not in the spirit of justice. That is very noble of you, but the defense is absent, then there's little that can be done. I'll hear no more about this matter.
Thank you for stalling, Cocorico.
I know, right? I will now talk to the jury.
The defense is present, Your Honor.
I know it was you, motherfucker.
Yeah, fuck you.
You're too late, Falcon. Mon Dieu, JJ, you look a total mess. Did you take a morning swim in the Seine or something?
Something like that.
Your Honor, we are all present. We are only 3 minutes over schedule. Let's not needlessly dirty the pure name of justice. Rules are rules, prosecutor. Falcon clearly has no respect for legal procedure. Frankly, for turning up while looking like a drowned rat, I ought to hold him in contempt of the court.
Your Honor.
But, Your Honor, rules are rules. One more word out of either of you, and I shall have you both disbarred. It's a pity. The King of France was most looking forward to standing behind the witness podium. Throw down, Cocorico! The King of France? He's here? Everybody just turn. Oh, there he.
Hello. Oh, we are not doing the trial after all. It's a pity.
Your Majesty, what a surprise. Well, you see...
You know, it's my 7th time testifying against a would-be assassin. But it's the first time seeing a trial where the case has ended before it even began. I don't know what this voice is, but I'm having fun.
I like it. Well, the defense, he was late, and,
Oh, pish-posh. France didn't become great and dignified kingdom through rigorous punctuality.
Throw down, Cocorico.
You mean Philippe?
No, Cocorico brought this motherfucker. You throwing down.
Let's go ahead with this trial. It'll be fun. Look, I'll say the oath to get us started.
Alright, well, we'll have the king say the oath in the next episode.
Bye.
Oh, this is beautiful. Bye, guys.
Hey everybody, this is J2A. We just want to say thanks for watching our video.
We appreciate any and all support we get from viewers, new and returning.
If you enjoyed this video, please feel free to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel.
Thanks again, and we'll catch you guys next time.
Bye.
Bye.